These first ones are pretty straightforward. Name the charismatic frontman who has shared a songwriting partnership with guitarist Keith Richards since the early 1960s. And the correct answer is option B, Mick Jagger. Which early hit opens with a fuzz guitar riff that became a defining sound of 1960s rock? The answer here is option A, I Can't Get No. Satisfaction. Identify the studio album whose original vinyl sleeve sported a working zipper on a pair of blue jeans. And it is option B, Sticky Fingers. No more freebies. During which December 1969 California concert did Hell's Angels acting as security fatally stab attendee Meredith Hunter? Lock it in. Option B, Altamont Speedway Free Festival, known for his steady swing and tailored suits, which jazz-inspired drummer stayed with the group from 1963 until his 2021 passing. The answer here is option D, Charlie Watts. Featuring the chart-topping single Miss You, what 1978 album signaled the band's successful embrace of disco and punk influences? We were looking for option D, Some Girls. Who created the Tongue and Lips logo, first seen on 1971 tour posters and later on every album sleeve? It's option B, John Pash. Let's test your limits. What three-letter nickname, shared with a motor oil additive, did journalists give the group's raucous 1972 North American tour? We were looking for option B, STP. Brian Jones played which mallet percussion instrument on Under My Thumb, giving the track its distinctive chiming riff? That one was option B, marimba. At which Riviera town's Villa Nelcote did the band cut much of Exile on Main Street using their mobile studio in 1971? Correct answer, option D, Villefranche-sur-Mer. How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments and subscribe. We drop quizzes every day.